on any cell B2. Now select the Sort button in the Sort and Filter group under the Data tab. The entire database will be selected and the Sort dialog box appears. The field column on the basis you want to sort from the Sort by drop-down list. For example, select the name field. Select the values option from the Sort on drop-down list. Select the sorting order from the Order drop-down list. By default, A to Z option is selected. You can see My Data has Headers checkbox to exclude the first row containing the column headings of your data from sorting. Otherwise, clear the checkbox to include the first row headings in sorting. Click OK.
If you will
The
not
database will be arranged in
check
descending order on the basis.
Include or exclude header. If you have the include header, what will happen? The name will also be somewhere between this. It will also get sorted out. So it will appear, name will appear when the N alphabet begins with on, and with that everything will get hodge and podge. So better whenever you are sorting, take care that checkbox, see that it has to be clicked or not.
Of name column. You can also sort by more than one column. By roll number. To sort by more than one column, follow the given steps. Click on the Add Level button in the Sort dialog box. A new level gets added below the first level. Mention the column name as roll number in the Then By drop-down list and order of the sorting as largest to smallest in the Order drop-down list in the new level. Click OK. Alright, let me tell you how to create a chart in Excel. Create a chart, etc. You can learn how rest of the data temporarily from a list enable you to analyze the information in an effective manner. Let us now discuss
Before we
about
begin with the filtering of data, we'll wind up with sorting once again. Ma'am, explain again. Ma'am, no video and no voice is coming. There is network issue today, so please bear with it today. Now, when you sort the data, we'll share the Excel sheet, not this one. We'll have it again afterwards. We'll close this. Now, if we'll go for Excel and if we'll arrange, this was the data, let's say we'll copy, numbers will copy, unit 1. Okay, copy, and we'll have a new purple and paste. So this is your data. We have arranged this data. If I want to sort this data, I will select all these. I will go to Data tab on the home ribbon. Data tab में this is the sort. A to Z, Z to A, and sort. I'll select the sort. Now you can see sort by values A to Z. Now sort by, when you'll click, all the headings will appear here. For example, I'll select name. It's already fine. Why name? Because that is the main thing we go for alphabetically. Then values, cell color, font color, cell icon, values. Then A to Z, we'll have Z to A because it is already alphabetically arranged. Okay, now you can see the name Anvi Singh, which was at the last, is coming at the top with the roll number 9. Now the other thing was shown was select it, go to the sort, add level is there, then by name के साथ, then by इंग्लिश के मार्क्स कर देते हैं, smallest to largest, but generally for the marks will go highest किसने लिया. Okay, now you will see the things will change again, English में भी और उसमें भी. ठीक है, this is how you have. If you want to delete the level, sort, and here we will delete this. If I have to customize list, you can have your customized list, you have to add the entries here, but that you leave it, and then we can select this, delete it. Okay, now the change is again there. If you want to sort it by name A to Z, now see, again it is arranged A to Z. This is how we do the sorting. When we do the sorting, you must see my data has headers. If I deselect it and with column D, now headers चले गए, अब column D आ गया. Okay, now you will find admission number name is also been gone down because A के बाद N आता है, right? Now if I undo this, my data is arranged again. This is what sorting is. Stop share. Now you understood sorting? अब sorting समझ में आ गई? Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Madiha Ashraf, I already told you today's network issue which cannot be helped out. So is it clear? Everybody? Harneet Kaur is writing, explain again. Harneet, what is that you are not able to understand? Where is Harneet? Ariana Sharma is writing, fully satisfied. But where is Harneet? Because she is not able to understand. Harneet, can you raise the hand? Is she there? Because I'm not able to find her. Okay, I've got it. What is that? Unmute yourself, Harneet.
Yes, ma'am.
What is that you were not able to understand now?
Ma'am, ma'am, I was not able to understand it. Ma'am, I was confused.
For what you are confused? That's what I'm asking. Tell me what is not understood by you. Then I'll explain it again. If I'm not able to understand कि ये तुम्हें समझ में नहीं आया तो मैं explain क्या करूँगी बच्चे?
Ma'am, can you explain the sort by drop down list? That when your sort by, there was no sort by the name. Sorry, list was there ना ma'am.
तो लिस्ट तो बच्चे आएगी, तुमने कौन से कॉलम पे सॉर्ट करना है वो तो तुम्हें बताना पड़ेगा ना. तुमको तुम्हें नेम पे सॉर्टिंग करनी है, तुम्हें मैथ्स के नंबर पे सॉर्टिंग करनी है, तुम्हें रोल नंबर पे सॉर्टिंग करनी है, वो तो तुमको देखना पड़ेगा ना कि तुम्हारी कौन सी फील्ड पे तुमको डाटा सॉर्ट करना है. व्हाट इज योर रिक्वायरमेंट? अगर तुम्हें चाहिए कि इंग्लिश के मार्क्स आई वांट हाईएस्ट किसके हैं, तो आई विल सॉर्ट ऑन द इंग्लिश वन. आई विल शो यू अगेन, नो प्रॉब्लम्स. म्यूट योरसेल्फ. शेयर स्क्रीन. Okay, now this is your data. If I want to sort it, select it. I'll go to sort. My data has headers. Okay. Now by maths values, smallest to largest नहीं, मेरे को देखना है highest किसके हैं, तो largest to smallest. Okay. Now look into the maths. Sort हो गया. 19, 18, 18, 17, 13, 13, 12, 7, 7. अगर अब मुझे ये भी नहीं करना, मुझे फादर्स के नेम पे करना है या फिर एडमिशन नंबर ले लेते हैं. चलो, मेरे को एडमिशन नंबर पे सॉर्ट करना है कि जो स्मॉलेस्ट टू लार्जेस्ट आना चाहिए, पहले कौन स्कूल में आया. Then again I'll sort by admission number, smallest to largest. Okay, now see the number is arranged. इसके हिसाब से जो तुम सॉर्ट करोगे उसके हिसाब से सारा डाटा अरेंज हो जाएगा. Now you understood, girls? Ma'am understood. Okay, fine. Now is filtering the data. How to filter the data? Now to filter the data, we'll share the screen again and we'll go to the Excel sheet again. Share. Now, when you filter your data with the sort, next to the sort is filter. Okay, we'll click on this. Sorry, we have to select the range and then I'll select filter. जैसे ही filter करेंगे सबके आगे एक list box का appearance हो जाएगी. This arrows will be there in front of all the fields. Now when you click on this, you'll find all the numbers there, roll numbers there, name is there, father's name. Now how to filter is, for example, I want to see all the students who have scored, wait a sec, all those who have scored 18 marks in maths. जिनके 18 marks आए, okay. सिर्फ वही records show होंगे, only those records will be shown, those who have scored 18 in maths. That is, I am filtering. For example, I want to see the who has topped in the maths, who has topped in the English, who has topped in Urdu. So I want to check this. Now, for example, I'll tell you again. I'll see highest marks is 19. Select all पे click करो. सिर्फ 19 पे select करेंगे. Okay. Now I have the detail maths में highest किसके marks हैं. Same way, if I want to see who has scored highest कितना है इनमें, largest marks कौन से हैं, 20. So I'll select only 20. Okay. Now Amina Jan has topped Urdu. Now that is not my criteria. Okay, fine. Overall, who's the topper? I'll choose the highest percentage, that is 94. Okay. Now 94 Amina Jan. If that is also not the case, who has scored less? Who has scored less? We'll go to the English, select all. 8 is the lesser marks. Okay, fine. Anjal Kumari has scored the less marks in English. Same I can do with maths. Who has scored less? 2 girls are there with 7 marks, Akriti, Anjal. So this is how you can filter your data, so that now total, who has scored the highest total? Now, what is the highest marks? 94. Okay, Amina Jan. With this, I need not to look for whole data. I'll just filter the data, select what I want to see. Only those records will be shown to me. Understood now? I'll stop sharing here. Did you understand what is filtering data? Is it clear, girls? Thumbs up have come. 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6. Okay, fine. Yes, ma'am. So now I'll play a video for filtering data.
Students, now let us find the data tab. Select the data list. Discuss about filtering data. Microsoft Excel provides several ways to analyze data in a list. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily
So
from
filter
the
feature
view.
allows you to see only those records that you want to display and hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view.
You can filter a list to display records that meet specific criteria by using autofilter command. Select an cell with its range on the filter button in the Sort and Filter group on the Data tab.
Filtering arrows will be added to each field name.
These arrows are used to specify condition to filter data. Click on the arrow next to the Hindi field name in cell D1.
Select the checkboxes of the values 85 and 98 from the drop-down list.
Click OK.
The list will get filtered and display only those records that meet the criteria of marks 85 and 98.
Okay students, let us take a recap of this chapter.
Chart is a graphical representation of data in a worksheet. It is an effective way to display data in a pictorial form. Chart area includes all the area and objects in the chart. Plot area is a window within the chart area. It contains the actual chart itself and includes plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Legend depicts the colors, patterns or symbols assigned to the data series. It helps to differentiate the data. X-axis of the chart is called category axis and Y-axis of the chart is called value axis. Bar chart displays data in the form of long rectangular rods called bars that are placed vertically or horizontally on the chart area. Pie chart displays data in the form of a circle that is divided into a series of segments. A chart is saved with a corresponding worksheet when a workbook is saved. Sorting means arranging data either in an ascending or descending order in a worksheet. The filter feature allows you to see only those records that you want to display, while it hides the rest of the data temporarily from the view.
So we'll stop sharing here. Ma'am, can you please explain XY scattered chart? Ma'am, we have understood. Niharika, I'll explain this in the next class now because time is running short. We have 30 minutes class because this topic was explained earlier and I asked you that if anything from the previous topics you want me to discuss, you please let me know. But that time you did not say it. If you would have said that time, I would have explained it. Now we'll do it in the next class. By that time, sorting, I'll just share the screen for 2 minutes. Now this was the thing. If we'll remove the filters, if I select this and click on filter button, it will remove. This is the toggle button. By clicking on this, you will get the effect. By clicking on this, that effect will be deactivated. Now, for example, in the example given in your book, we can use lowest as well as highest. Both the marks can be shown at the same time. For maths, we can have the lowest and the highest. See, this way also you can filter your data. Now stop share. I hope you understood everyone. Anybody wants to ask anything? Niharika, it's okay. But next time, please, if you have anything from the previous topic, you will start with that first only. Aditi, something is wrong with your face expressions in your DP or you are sitting, I don't know. Anything anybody wants to ask? Yashvi is looking at Aditi's face now. Okay. Sami also. So shall we wind up the class? Okay. Shall we wind up the class, girls? No questions at all? You understood everybody? Is there any child who did not understand anything from the sorting or filtering? No, ma'am. Okay, then we'll wind up the class. Since you understood, you are intelligent girls. Before we wind up, next class you should be seated with your books, pencils, erasers, sharpeners. We'll be doing the exercises. So that time I don't want you are running for the pencils and you are running for the erasers and the sharpeners. Be ready with everything. We'll be doing it. Okay. Okay, then bye. See you next week. Stay safe, stay home, and maintain social distancing. Wash your hands again and again because your health is our priority. Okay? Be good girls and don't trouble your parents. It's been since 4 months you are at home. They must be troubled by now, but please do not trouble them anymore. Okay? Bye. See you next week.